Hello, good evening, guys. Actually, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite tutor, the digital ustaz. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use basic Canva tools. Firstly, if you don't have Canva installed on your phone, head over to your Play Store or App Store to download Canva right now. So here is how you are going to download Canva from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you come to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Canva. Once you search for Canva, you will see this is the one we are going to use. So this is the app we are going to use. Once you have this app installed on your phone, and you click on open to open the app interface. So normally it takes 2 minutes or 1 minute for it to load, or let me say seconds for it to load. Now we are in the interface of the app. So basically I will start by introducing what Canva is and what Canva can help you. Canva is a graphic design tool, or let me say it's just like a mini computer you have in your phone that should assist you to automate, or let me say also help you to do your daily activities without stress. Example of your daily activities that can be done with Canva without any stress is creating a magic video using Video 3 and Video 2.0 recently released by Canva. You can just add your image and also prompt it just the way you edit videos in CapCut, whereby you can add your images and prompt it, tell him, or maybe let's say a clip of what you have done over a month. You join them together and have a full video. So you can also do that in Canva by just adding the picture of your experiences or maybe what you did over throughout the month. You can add it here and it will create the video for you. Let's take example with this. For example, I want to create a video. Let's say a tutorial video for this. I'm creating a tutorial video for, let's say, Canva. So I'll just add the image and just add the kind of look of how I want the video to be, the style of the video, then I'll send it to Canva. Canva will now check based on the image I upload and based on the prompt I provide. He will now create a simple video, Canva video for me. I can see. Though this is not like AI generated video, it's just like using your own real world picture or maybe idea to
Don't wait for the
create
right
something.
time. Make it right by showing up.
So this one is just like a clip that explains what this video is all about, maybe giving a motivation of how the video is, and you can also select different types of how you want the video to be. Just the way you select templates from Canva, you can as well select templates or make it a diary of your daily, just the way like us that like posting on Instagram, Facebook and other things. You can be posting daily motivations. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to it's just like a faceless content you can do here using Canva by just adding what you want to say, what message do you want to pass, and boom, you have it with your own picture. Like us that always like posting on Instagram, Facebook, and all the social media, this tool can help you to get that task done without any stress. You don't need to waste time in CapCut or maybe any app waste time, like to design or join clips together. With just a single prompt and your pictures, you can add as much as picture you have, up to 20 pictures you can add here to create your videos. So apart from this, what you can also do with Canva, you can send a email campaign with Canva. Let's say I want to send a job campaign, maybe just the way they advertise on these people advertising, or say companies advertising and sending mails to you in your email, we are hiring or something like that. So how they do it is by creating the design, the template of their design, before forwarding it to you on your email. So you can search what is your business all about, what message do you want to pass, or what are you hiring, or what are you advertising, depend on what you are doing. So you can just create a customized design, then forward it to your email, forward it to your, can I call it your lead, their lead people who buy your products. Create it with Canva and you send it. So apart from email template design again, there are other tools you can explore, like other tools you can do with Canva, like social media. You can create social media content using Canva. Example of social media content you can do, you can create Instagram video, Facebook video, Instagram story, cover, like almost everything. This Canva tool will help you to do your everything, anything that is possible in your computer. I can say 98% is possible here in Canva. Let's say apart from creating folders and other things, there are 98% of tasks you do daily for basic and daily use on Canva. Apart from all these coding and other things, you can also do it like the ones you do on your laptop. You can also do it in Canva. You want to code, you want to do this, everything, you can also do it here in Canva. Creating your social media, maybe if you want to edit photo, videos, emails, type documents, depend on whatever you really want to do, and it will do it for you. Then the next thing again, you can also create videos. What kind of videos can this Canva help you? It can help you to create animation video. Maybe you want to create magic animation, you want to create video, like move video background, you want to add beats, or maybe caption your video. Like, there are so many things. There are over millions of templates available for you to use in this Canva. That is, you can start your content career today for you to be a content creator. Then the next we have is photo editing. You have been wondering on how people edit their photos. You want to maybe detect something for your photo, all those spots, black spots, all these things. You want to correct your photo, remove the background, edit your photo, make it look nice. There are so many tools here that will help you to do that using these Canva tools. We are going to explain them one by one throughout our next coming tutorials. So this one is just a basic introduction to Canva. Then the next one we also have presentation. Just the way you type, create Canva, all these slide in your system. You type to create let me say we call it PPTs, creating all these slide for presentations. You can also do it here in Canva. Maybe type documents. There another one is called doc. Just the way you type documents, writing a letter to a company, or type document of exam questions and other things. It can also be done with Canva. Then the next thing here you can also do, you can also build a website by just prompting in Canva. It will build a page for you. Very simple. You create a landing page for you. The next thing we have again is whiteboard. This whiteboard is basically something like being a student, like is basically being used for students. You can use this whiteboard to explore so many things. Maybe use it for your learning at school, maybe draw, or maybe you want to do something. I don't know, you have been given assignment by your teacher to do something, so you can simply draw, design everything you want to do with this whiteboard. So many things are possible with this whiteboard. Then apart from this whiteboard again, the next thing you can explore in Canva, like the things that you can do with Canva, there are so many things, like maybe creating a sheet. This sheet, Excel, just the way you write Excel document, maybe writing over millions or thousands of names of people within a country or within a city, you can also use this Canva to do. And this customize that maybe by the time I want to create a flyer or something I want to create, I just need a specific size on how I want my design to be. So you can simply enter the size of how you want the design to be, and you create, you get the exact design, exact size you want. Then this upload is when you upload sample or maybe a picture you want to edit. You just upload it directly to Canva and you edit it. Very simple. Or maybe you are a beginner in design, so you cannot just be designing without seeing the sample of what you want to design. You can use this upload button, upload a sample of the design, keep it at the side, and start using designing what you want to design to be looking at. Then other things you can do is Instagram story, create Instagram videos, Instagram posts, Instagram reels, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, Facebook story, also mobile videos, then all these video, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, and also creating a thumbnail for YouTube videos. If you're a content creator, you like posting on YouTube, sharing updates, how to do this, how to create that, just the way I'm doing that like this now. You can also create your thumbnail with Canva. You can create your YouTube video, YouTube size video with Canva. You can create a simple logo for your brand or brand identity you can build with Canva. Then virtual background, maybe you want to do a live call, but you don't want to be like kind of realistic. Let me see, using your live background is very rough, or where you are is just like a bushy place. So you can use Canva to get a nice background to use for a call. They also have phone wallpaper. If you need a wallpaper for your phone, you can also create it here in Canva. Then we also have something like document, business card, then poster, invitation card, flyer, postcard, photo book, sticker, t-shirt, and hoodie. So there are so many millions of tools you can access here in Canva. Apart from these Canva tools, there are integrations in Canva. We can call them like there are some templates in Canva you can explore. These templates are something like all these, you don't, maybe you don't have experience of how to design this, how to design that. You can just search what other creators have created. Just the way you search templates on Canva, you can as well search template of what others have created in this Canva, edit it and make it yours. Boom, you have your design ready. You don't need to stress. That is how it works. And there is this integrations in Canva that will allow you to access other tools that are outside of Canva. Maybe image resize, also all these website, different websites you want to access, you can as well access it directly from Canva. And there is this recently launched Canva tool called Affinity. Affinity is a Canva tool that will allow you to create Photoshop designs. Let me show you. How do you access Affinity? In your Canva, let me say you create a brand or maybe normal account on Canva. Once you click on your profile here at the side, you see advanced tools. This advanced tools is where you can find Affinity. Affinity is just like your mini Photoshop, accessing access to create design on Photoshop design on your PC. That is what Affinity does. You don't need to bother on maybe getting a Photoshop to design again. You can as well use this Affinity to create your designs. Boom, you have your designs ready. Just the way you edit in Photoshop and other things, you can as well do it here using this Affinity. So that is one thing about this newly launched tool. So there are so many much design you can explore. As we move on in our next coming tutorials, it's going to be a series of modules of tutorials. It's going to be module by module I'll be releasing. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use each of these two, basically how to use each one of these two completely, how to master them and use them. So thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial video. I remain my humble self, the Digital Ustaz.